Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make toffee wrappers for Teacher's Day. We'll start by gathering just a few simple materials you likely already have at home. This easy method is perfect for creating a thoughtful, personalized gift. You can customize each wrapper to reflect your teacher's unique style and make their day extra special. Let's get started with our supplies. Now, let's prepare our wrapper base. Take your paper and cut it into rectangles. A good starting size is about 4 inches by 6 inches, but feel free to adjust this to perfectly fit your chosen toffee. Precision here helps create a professional look. Using a ruler and pencil for your measurements will ensure your cuts are straight and your wrappers are uniform. This step is quick and sets the foundation for your beautiful gift. This is where the fun begins. Personalize each wrapper to make it special. You can draw small pictures, add stickers, or write a heartfelt message directly onto the paper. Think about your teacher's favorite things to inspire your designs. A simple thank you in your own handwriting adds immense value. Remember, it's the thought and effort that truly make this gift memorable and unique for them. Finally, let's assemble your thoughtful gifts. Place one toffee in the center of your decorated paper. Fold the longer sides over the candy, securing them with a tiny dab of glue. Then, gently twist the ends of the wrapper to seal it, creating that classic toffee look. You can present these individually or gather several in a small decorative bag or box. Your teachers will surely appreciate this handmade token of appreciation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.